Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am tackling my fall to-do list, and first on that list is to change out all of Brooks's summer clothes over to winter. And now I've already kind of started doing this, and I've been buying stuff that's in his new size. I still need to get all of his summer clothes out of his closet and his drawers. So if you guys want to see how I do everything and organize it, then just keep watching. Also, don't forget to give this video a like if you like these kinds of organization videos, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. I post Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time. Brooks Cash. Oh my goodness. So I will show you what all still fits from last year. This little pile is it. And some of it he may outgrow pretty soon. I feel like you can kind of get away with snowsuits being a little bit big. I also need to try on like some of his 2T pants. Brooks is 2.5, and right now he's in a size 3T in the tops, but he is kind of borderline 2T to 3T in the bottoms. So I'm keeping most of his 2T bottoms and just getting new 3T tops. So a lot of his stuff, like all of his shirts and stuff, don't fit from last year, but some of them I actually bought in size 3T. Like this one's 3T, and I'm glad I found it because Halloween is this week, so I'll have to be able to wear that real quick. All of these are 3T. This Sherpa is a size 4. I even have a pair of Christmas pajamas, little reindeer pajamas that are size 3T, a little pullover, more Christmas shirts, and I'm glad I found this because I think I'm going to have him wear this for fall pictures tomorrow. So that works out. And then his coat from last year was pretty big on him. I got this from the children's place, and it's a 2T. But I'm going to see if he can wear it this year. I feel like he could because Coach just runs so big. So we'll see. It looks like it's not even been worn, honestly. So then I've got a pile of clean clothes for him that I need to fold. And yeah, we're going to take everything out of these drawers and get it nice and organized. So I've got a couple hours to spare. So let's go ahead and get her done. I'm starting out by taking everything out of the drawers in his dresser. I'm just removing all of his pajamas and stuff. I've pretty much have them thrown into the drawers. So I'm going to take them all out, fold them up, divide summer and winter, and see what fits and what doesn't. And then whatever doesn't fit, I'm just going to put it into the tote that you see back behind there. I had to hide it back there so he wouldn't get into it. And that's what I'm pretty much doing to start out with. And what I recommend is to just dig in there, get out everything in the drawers. You got to get it all out to get it organized and put back in. So that's what I'm doing here. We only got this life to live out, so follow me, I'm ready to go. I'll take the lead, I'm ready to go. Okay, the next drawer is all of his swim trunks, and I'm putting away everything that I know for sure he'll outgrow next summer, but I am keeping some of the bigger swimming trunk sizes. I think he had 2 pairs. So I'm going to keep those out, and I'm also going to keep the pull-ups in this drawer, but everything else is going in the tote as well. And then his bottom drawer has all of his athletic clothes from the summertime, so I'm going to take those out, fold them, and put them into the tote as well. On the other side, I have all of his shorts from summertime, from casual shorts to dressier ones. I have them all just kind of stuffed in there. So I'm getting them out, folding them up, and then putting them into the tote as well. As you can see, the tote is already getting pretty full, which is just crazy to me considering everything's been out of this dresser. But the next drawer is all of his pants. Some of the pants I'm putting into the tote, and then others I can actually have him wear this year, which is really nice. The last drawer is all of his bedding and blankets. I like to have extra sheets on hand just in case we need them in the middle of the night, but I also keep this little basket to organize them as well. Now I'm heading into his closet and I'm just going to take down all of his summer clothes, from short sleeve shirts to tank tops. I know he'll outgrow all of this by next summer, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out and put it into the tote as well. After I got all of his clothes out, I'm going to organize his shoes. They were kind of just thrown onto this shelf right here, so I'm going to take out all the ones that he's outgrown or are summer shoes that he will outgrow, because I know he's not going to wear them anymore this year. After the shoes are done, I'm just going to start taking the rest of the clothes off of the hangers, fold them, and put them into the tote as well. You make me nervous. Alright, this is what the closet is looking like so far. Now I'm going to go through this box of hats that he has. He's got hats from summer to winter, sock hats, a little bit of everything. He also had a ton of bibs in here from whenever he was little. I'm not sure why I have those in there, but I need to get them out and put them into the correct tote. But that's what I'm going through now, and after that's done, I'm going to start hanging up all of his new clothes that I've gotten him this year, and I try to color coordinate. So all of his casual shirts I'm going to put on the top rack, and I'm just going to have them organized by color. Mystery, I don't think I ever want to go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think now I'm heading back to the drawers, and I'm going to go ahead and put away all of his pajamas. I did have a couple new pairs for him, so I'm just folding them all in nice and neat, and then I'm also putting his underwear back in the top drawer. After that, I'm going to go ahead and put everything that I've taken out of the closet into our spare bedroom. I'm eventually going to go through all of this and try to sell some of it and decide what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to sell. I'm also going to take these DVDs upstairs because that's the only TV that we actually have a DVD player with, and these 2 boxes of trash. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take all of the hangers off of his summer clothes that I had taken out in the beginning of the video, and I'm going to fold them up and put them into a box as well. Come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think now I'm gonna fold that pamper of clean clothes that I had for Brooks in the beginning of the video. I'm going to fold it and hang it all up. I didn't have too much, but I did have a lot of his new stuff or things that I washed from earlier. I think we were meant to be.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new.
final look. I'm so excited that everything is nice and organized and it's not crammed in to his closet. Like I said, the top shelf is all of his casual clothes. His shoes are all organized on the middle rack, and then his coats and costumes are on the bottom, as well as his hampers. So that is it for this section of the video. Now I'm just going to pick up all of these hangers from his clothes, and I'm going to keep them somewhere. I'm not sure where yet, but I know I'll probably need them eventually. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the drawers because there is like nothing in here. I've got his underwear in the top, all of his pajamas down here. Sorry if this is kind of shaky. I did leave some pull-ups down there. There's nothing in the bottom one. I still have his diapers up here. That's just how I organize them. This one, I just have some of his like lounge pants. This one is long pants. Those are his jeans and more dressy pants. And then blankets in the bottom. But that's it. And I love that I've got so much more space in there. I do keep blankets in this little basket over here just because it is so bulky, and this dresser isn't super wide. I believe we got it from a place called allmodern.com. I'll try to link it if I can find it down below. Okay, and here is the closet. So up there in that wooden box, I just have a couple of hats. I have his outlet monitor and a box of like memory things. I've got all of his wipes and extra diapers up there. I've got the shirts coordinated by color. I try to do like light gray, dark gray, black, navy, green, red, orange, and then whites. And then in the middle, I just have his shoes and his socks in a little bin. And then the very bottom one, I've got currently his Halloween costumes over here. And then I just have like his snow gear. I've got his heavy coat, some bigger like fleecy pullovers and hoodies and vest, and a couple of overalls. So that's all his like heavy duty stuff. And then over here, I just keep this little box as a hamper so I can throw things in. And then underneath, I just have his Christmas decorations for his room and a little bin. It's just 2 Santa hats, a banner, and a buffalo plaid bee for his name. And then I have his rain boots, and that's it. So this feels awesome to have like not very much stuff in here, but now I can see like what I need to get him. Like I need to get him some church clothes, or maybe a couple plaid shirts, and that, I mean, not a whole lot, mainly like comfy stuff, which is pretty easy to get. It helps me in the mornings to have a clear mind on what to grab. I'm not like digging through piles of stuff. So I'm really glad that I was able to do this today. And now I need to tackle my closet and go through everything. I'm actually getting ready to have a shop my closet sale with a friend. We're gonna combine our stuff and have it like kind of boutique style where everyone can shop, and that way we can get rid of some clothes. I don't know why, but before the holidays and before I like get more decorations out, I really like to just clear everything out if I can. Like every time, through the seasons, if I move my summer clothes out to my winter, I like to just go take that time to look through and see, is this something I want to keep? Is it something I want to throw out? And get rid of stuff. Because even if you have the space, which I mean, his closet isn't huge, so whenever there's a ton of clothes in there, it feels really crammed. But our closet is bigger, but I still like to have my stuff like filtered out. That way I can really see what I've got and it's not crammed in. So anyways, let me know if this helped you guys out. Hopefully it gives you some inspiration to switch out your kids' clothes or to even go through your dressers and your drawers. It makes it so much easier to see what you actually have, what you need. That way you're not buying stuff that you don't actually need, or even buying duplicates. I know I've done that in the past just because I forgot what he actually has and what he doesn't. So anyway, stay tuned for more decluttering, organizing stuff, because I feel like I'm gonna go through every room of the house now before the holidays hit. Next is definitely gonna be his playroom. I've never really went through his toys too much. I did a little bit back whenever I redid his playroom, but nothing too major, and I feel like I need to get rid of some toys before Christmas. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.